Pear offers 6 unique ways in which we can engage students and record their responses. First one is the text. If you are asking students a question that needs a response in the form of text, like you're asking them a definition or something like that, you can choose this option and students will be able to respond in text only. Or if your question is a multiple choice question, you can choose this option and students will be able to respond you by selecting one of the choices that you have given to them. Or if your question requires a strictly numeric response, like for example, your question is that how much is the Malaysian population or what are the latest number of COVID-19 cases, you can choose this number more, and students will be able to respond you only in numeric form. Or if you have a website that you want to show your students, which might include some helpful activity or literature or something that you want to show your students, or you want them to interact on that web page, you can choose this option. And on the slide you can give the URL, and when this specific slide comes, that particular web page will automatically open on student devices. By using this draw option, you can ask your students to draw something, maybe their smiley faces or anything interesting, and will catch the interest of the students. And also using this draggable, uh, you can create a drag and drop activity related with your lesson for the students. Now you can directly use these options in your slides or try built-in templates from the gallery. Pear has this online template library. It has some really cool templates which can be useful in various different scenarios. You can use them as it is or modify it to your likeness. And I think using this library is a good way to start. Let's take a look at this library. It has 3 sections. First one is lesson builders. Here you will find slide templates which are themes to be used in the beginning of the lesson, during the lesson, or end of the lesson. The second section is learning development. Here you will find slide templates for thought-provoking activities and some social and emotional learning. And the third section is subject areas. In here you will find slides which are specifically designed for subjects, means for mathematics, for science, for social studies, for world languages. You can use any of these templates. This is a very good one. We will take a look at few of those, and I bet you will find many slides that you feel tempted to use in your presentations.